In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to react on Slack messages step by step, so you can quickly respond to teammates using emoji reactions instead of sending extra messages. Reacting on Slack is one of the easiest ways to acknowledge messages, show agreement, give feedback, or keep conversations clean and organized. Whether you're new to Slack or just want to make sure you're using reactions the right way, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and inside your workspace. From here, go to the channel or direct message where the conversation is happening. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or even a one-on-one chat. Once you're in the correct space, locate the message that you want to react to. Next, move your mouse cursor over the message. When you hover over any message in Slack, you'll notice a small menu appear on the right side of the message. This menu includes several icons, and one of them looks like a smiley face with a plus sign. This is the Add Reaction button. Click on that Add Reaction button to open the emoji picker. Now you'll see a panel pop up with a wide range of emojis you can choose from. You can scroll through the list, browse by category, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific emoji. For example, you might want to use a thumbs up to show agreement, a check mark to confirm something is done, or a celebration emoji to congratulate a teammate. Once you find the reaction you want, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the reaction will be added directly under the message for everyone in the channel to see. If other people react with the same emoji, Slack will group them together and show a count, making it easy to see how many people responded. You can also remove your reaction at any time by clicking on the same emoji again. This is useful if you change your mind or react by accident. Emoji reactions are a great way to reduce clutter in channels, keep communication fast, and show engagement without interrupting the flow of conversation. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to react on Slack messages quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, software tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.